Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, what an absolute treat I've got for you guys today. Look at this 1985 Tandy Radio Shack 4x4 off-roader. This thing was a beast back when I was a kid. I was dying to get this truck. Well, didn't a friend of mine get his hands on one in this amazing condition? So I set it aside and decided one day I'm going to rebuild it. And that's exactly what I did. Threw a brushless conversion in it, a little 4600, just some cheapy Amazon unit, and I had an old Team Associated steering servo sitting around that just dropped right in perfectly. I threw in the Fly Sky, I think it's a BS 106 to match the transmitter that I typically use, and just rudimentarily threw a battery in it. There's no cover, no original cover for it, so it is just kind of hung in there by an elastic. But guys, this thing works. This thing works. I hope it doesn't get buried, but it works. Look. You believe it? Doesn't like the snow. Yeah, there we go, there we go. It does not like the snow. Let's get it out of the snow and see what we can do with it here. A little bit of resistance. There it is. Check it out. I love this thing. There she is, guys. I do plan to try and hook up the headlight and the tail light. Oh, it doesn't like that at all. That's a bunch of snow. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't like it when it gets too much snow on the tire, that's for sure. It doesn't have the greatest steering radius as well, but it's 1985. Let's see how far it goes. Oh, clicky, clicky. Doesn't like that, does it? Let's see. She builds up pretty good. Full of snow. See what I'm saying about the battery though? It's just kind of hung in there a little bit. There we go. Cleaned it off. But yeah, it's just kind of held there with an elastic right now. I'm hoping to find the original cover, but we'll see. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you the old 1985 Tandy Radio Shack 4x4 off-roader. It's wonderful. If you see one at a thrift store or something, don't be afraid to grab it and start a little project like that, guys. Everybody should just go to the thrift store, grab some crappy old RC, and give it some new life, just because. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate you. Hope you enjoyed the video.